Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 4. We are going to present 4 questions that are given by the lecturer. My name is Kamarudin bin Wan Kamarudin, and I'm going to present the question number 1. So, the question: explain the meaning of differentiation. Briefly explain 2 of the techniques of differentiation. So, the differentiation is a process in calculus that is used to find the rate at which a quantity changes. In simpler terms, it determines the slope or gradient of a function at any given point. For example, if y equals to fx, the derivative dy dx represents the rate of change of y with respect to x. There are 2 techniques of differentiation. First is the chain rule, which is used when differentiating a composite function. If y equals to fx, then dy dx equals to f prime gx multiplied with g prime x. For example, y equals to sin 3x, then the answer dy dx will be cos 3x multiplied with 3. The second technique is the product rule, which is used when differentiating the product of 2 functions. If y equals to ux multiplied with vx, then dy dx will be u prime x multiplied with vx plus ux multiplied with v prime x. For example, if y equals to x squared multiplied with inverse x, dy dx will be 2x multiplied with inverse x multiplied with 1 over x, which will be 2x multiplied with inverse x plus x. That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asif bin Muhammad Asfi. Now I will teach how to solve question 2a. So the question is y equal to 3 sec to the power of 4 in the bracket 5x minus 2. So in order to differentiate this question, we use chain rule. So we let y equal to 3u to the power of 4 and u equal to sec in the bracket 5x minus 2. So we differentiate for y, we get y prime or dy du equal to 12u to the power of 3. For the u, we differentiate, we get u prime or du dx equal to sec 5x minus 2 times tan 5x minus 2 times 5. 5 we get from differentiate inside the bracket. So for the chain rule, in order to get dy dx, we must multiply dy du and du over dx. So we insert the value into the formula. Dy du is 12u to the power of 3 times du dx, which is sec 5x minus 2 times tan 5x minus 2 times 5. So we expand. First we insert the value of u. So the value of u is sec 5x minus 2. So we get 12 in the bracket sec 5x minus 2 close bracket to the power of 3, and we times sec 5x minus 2 times tan 5x minus 2 times 5. So we solve which they can be solved. For example, 5 we can multiply by 12, we get 60. Sec 5x minus 2 to the power of 3, we can times multiply by sec 5x minus 2, we get sec for 5x minus 2. So we times tan 5x minus 2. So the answer is 60 sec to the power of 4 5x minus 2 times tan 5x minus 2.
Next, we move to the question B. We get for the question, we get y equal to cos 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 1. So for this question, we use quotient rule. So we let u equal to cos 4x plus 3, and u prime, we differentiate the cos 4x plus 3. We get for the cos, we differentiate, we get negative sin 4x plus 3, we differentiate, we get 4 and times 4. So for the v, we let the denominator, which is x squared minus 1, and for the v prime, we differentiate the x squared minus 1, we get 2x. So for the question rule, the formula is v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. So we insert the answer that we get v equal to x squared minus 1 times u prime, which is negative sin 4x plus 3 times 4, and we minus u cos, which is cos 4x plus 3 times v prime, which is 2x. So over v squared, we for the v squared, which is x squared minus 1. So we get this one, and then we rearrange the answer. We get 4, negative 4, which is this 4, and this negative we move to the front. We get negative 4, so x square minus 1 times sin 4x plus 3. So we minus 2x, which is this x, 2x, times cos 4x plus 3 over x square minus 1 in the bracket square. For the base, we don't need to expand it. So that's all.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So today I will explain how I differentiate this equation 10 to y minus 3 minus y e to the power of 3x squared plus 1 for y equal to 5x. So for the first step, we differentiate 10 to y minus 3. So we got sec the power of 2 to y minus 3 multiplied by 2 divided over dx. So we got the value of 2 came from we differentiate the value in the bracket. So for the second step, we differentiate negative y e to the power of 3x squared. So for this one, we use the product rule, which is the formula is u v prime plus v u prime. So u value equal to y. So we differentiate y. We got u prime equal to 1 multiplied by dy over dx. So after that, v equal to e to the power of 3x squared. We differentiate e to the power of 3x squared. So we got v prime equal to 6xe equal to 3x the power of 3x squared. So we substitute all the value into the formula. So we got y multiplied by 6xe the power of 3x squared plus e the power of 3x squared multiplied by dy over dx. So for the third step, we differentiate ln for y. So we use the formula for ln fx equal to 1 over fx multiplied by f prime x. So it will be 1 over 4y multiplied by 4 dy over dx. So for the last step, we have to differentiate 5x using the power rule. So it will be 5. So after we differentiate all of the equation above, we got sec squared 2y minus 3 multiplied by 2 dy over dx negative open bracket y multiplied by 6xe the power of 3x squared plus e to the power of 3x squared multiplied by dy over dx close bracket plus open bracket 1 over 4y multiplied by 4 dy over dx close bracket. So this one we can simplify by cancel the 4. So we got 1 over y dy over dx equal to 5. So we solve all the multiplication. We got 2 sec squared 2y minus 3 dy over dx minus 6xye the power of 3x squared minus e the power of 3x squared dy over dx plus 1 over y multiplied by dy over dx equal to 5. So for this one, we can bring negative 6xye the power of 3x squared to the right side like this one. So after that, we factorize like this. So dy over dx in bracket 2 sec squared 2y minus 3 minus e to the power of 3x squared plus 1 over y close bracket equal to 5 plus 6xye the power of 3x squared. So we bring all the value in bracket to the right side, so it became divide. So after that, we got dy over dx equal 5 plus 6xye the power of 3x squared over 2 sec the power of 2 2y minus 3 negative e the power of 3x squared plus 1 over y. So this is the final answer.
Okay, for the last question, question 4, use linear approximation to estimate the value of sec 63.77 minus 2 over cube 63.77 correct to 4 decimal places. First of all, we let fx equals to sec x minus 2 over cube x. So the x naught equals to 64 since it is close to 63.77. Then we let the delta x equals to x minus x naught, which is 63.77 minus 64, which we get negative 0.23. Then we find the sec 64, which is equal to 8. So we can find the fx, which is f64 equals to 8 minus 2 over 4, which is equals to 7.5. Then we can find the f derivative x, which we can use the power rule, which we can get 1 over 2 64 to the power of negative 1 over 2. Then we plus 2 over 3 64 to the power of negative 4 over 3. We do all of the calculation and we get 25 over 384. Then we put all of the answer that we got into the formula and the final answer is 7.4850. That's all from us.
So this is conclusion on techniques of differentiation in calculus that we have done. So you may pause the video to read the conclusion.